Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create a movie video in Picture Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On the home screen or in the app screen, tap on the Gallery app. In Gallery, you want to go back to Albums or Pictures. Now at the top here, if you tap on the menu key, you can tap on Create and tap on Movie. Once you choose that, then you can select the photos or videos to include in your video or in your movie. Now another way to do it is first select the photos. So select the photos that you want to include in your videos and then tap on More and tap on Create and then choose Movie. Now, so you can't add images stored in the cloud to the movies. So for any of the photos that is already saved to the cloud, then you will not be able to add it to your movie. So I'm going to tap on the back key and I'm going to select again and make sure this time I'm going to only select photos that is available on my device. And then tap on More, tap on Create from the pop-up. And now I'm going to choose Movie. Next, there are a few editing options that you have. At the bottom here is the music button. If you tap on the background music button, you can tap on Add. You can choose one song available in the list, jump and run, or you can choose a different song from a different category right here. And you can see there are some. You need to download it before you can use it. There is happy, lounge, relaxing, upbeat. Now, if you don't want to use any of the songs in here, you can tap on the Add button and you can select a song, your own custom song from your sound gallery. So here I'm going to choose this song and tap on Done. Now that I have chosen my background music, you can also adjust the sound, the main video sounds in here. This one at the moment is disabled. I cannot change it at the moment. Now if you tap on the text button, you can also add a title to your video. So here, let's say I want to choose a title and subtitle. Then tap on the edit button here. And we're going to give it a title. Now you can delete the subtitle or the description, or you can add it in if you wanted to. And tap on Done. And you can see here, so if we go back to the beginning of the video, you can see there is text at the beginning of the video. Alright, so that's text. Now you can also add transition effect to your video. And this button here is the transition effect. Now to change the effects, you want to tap on the button, the minus button, or the box in the middle. And there are a few different options that you could choose. None, dissolve, fade, or slide, or wipe. And there you go, you can see. Now if I tap on it, you can see all of them get changed. So I cannot choose a different transition effect for each individual frame. I have to actually choose one and it will apply to all of them, as you can see right here. Now this is because I choose all. So if I deselect the all button, I can then manually, so let me see if I deselect all. And if I choose one, so for some reason it won't allow me to individually change for each picture. If I choose one of them, it will select all instead, as you can see right here. So if I see if I can change it. So this one here is just an information box. It doesn't allow me to do anything. If I tap on it, I can choose one, and if I choose one, it will apply to all the transition effects on all the photos in here. And you can see this is what it looks like with the transition effect. And that is all the editing options available in the gallery when creating a video or creating a movie. Now once you have done all of that, you can share or you can save. Now at the top here, there is also one more option. You can change the ratio of your movie. So you got 4:3, 3:4 ratio, 1:1 ratio, 9:16 ratio and 16:9 ratio. Now once you have made a selection, tap on saved, and this will save as a video in your picture gallery. Now because this is only a 1-minute video, so it is fairly quick. And let's go back to the gallery now. And you can see it's 1 minute and 3 seconds. We can tap on the play button here to preview at the video. And that's it. That's how you can create a movie in your picture gallery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.